Prevalence and susceptibility of diarrheagenic pathogens in under 5 children in Zanzibar, Tanzania. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: diarrhea is one of the leading causes of death, poor health and disability among children aged under 5 years in developing countries. Aims: this study aimed at providing evidence of the prevalence and antimicrobial resistance patterns towards Salmonella spp, Shigella spp, and Escherichia coli among under 5 children in Unguja, Zanzibar, Tanzania. Study design: this cross-sectional design was used to collect samples from stools of children suffering from diarrhea. Place and duration of study: the study was carried out in Zanzibar's western urban region between October 2019 to February 2020. Methodology: a cross-sectional study was conducted from October 2019 to February 2020. Random samples were collected to investigate the prevalence of Salmonella spp, Shigella spp and Escherichia coli. The samples were cultured using Hectoen enteric, He, and Salmonella Shigella agar. Antibiotic susceptibility testing was done by the Kirby-Bode disk diffusion method. Results: a total of 159 stool samples were collected in the study. Salmonella spp was identified 12 by 159 times, 7.5% of the total samples. Shigella spp and E. coli were identified in 7 by 159 samples, 4.4%, and 6 by 159, 3.7%, respectively. The age range of 1-3 years were more susceptible to diarrhea caused by Salmonella spp 12, 7.5%, than Shigella spp 7, 4.4%, and Escherichia coli 6, 3.7%. These results indicated that there is no statistically significant relationship between the age of patients and identification of Salmonella spp, Shigella spp, and Escherichia coli. Chi-square with 4 degrees of freedom is equal to 2, P is equal to 0.064. Children between 49 and 60 months showed low prevalence, while a high peak prevalence was reported for children between 7 to 12 months. All Salmonella spp, Shigella spp and Escherichia coli species identified were sufficiently susceptible to chloramphenicol and ceftriaxone, with a varying pattern to azithromycin, ciprofloxacin, ampicillin, nalidixic acid and trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole. The multiple drug-resistant (MDR) patterns of Shigella and E. coli exhibited to 4 antibiotics: trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, azithromycin, ceftriaxone, and nalidixic acid, while Salmonella isolates showed low resistance pattern to 3 antibiotics: nalidixic acid, azithromycin and ampicillin. The correlation between the total identification of microbes and the date collected stools is significant at P is equal to 0.020. ANOVA test used a linear relationship. The relationship between isolated pathogenic bacteria and the date of collected diarrheagenic stools was positive, 3.515, based on the t-value, 2.506, and p-value, 0.02. The study benefit to guide the first-line and second-line drug choice in the treatment of diarrhea in the subsequent reviews of the Zanzibar Standard Treatment Guideline (ZSTG) for diarrheal diseases, as needed by Ministry of Health, 2016, and to initiate a long-term surveillance program to monitor and identify the changes in the rate of antimicrobial patterns of these bacteria of public health concern. Future research should extend the study to include other regions of Zanzibar and conduct molecular data. This will provide a more comprehensive understanding prevalence and antimicrobial resistance of diarrheagenic pathogens. Conclusion: we found Salmonella spp, Shigella spp and Escherichia coli isolates in the stools of children less than or equal to 5 years from Unguja, Zanzibar, but all the isolates were susceptible to chloramphenicol and ceftriaxone but partially resistant to other tested antibiotics. Identifying resistant bacteria in this age group should be a concern for the public health authorities and trigger research into finding the cause. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.